First on the list is the Jeep Cherokee. Known for its off-road capability, the Cherokee unfortunately suffers from numerous reliability issues. Owners report frequent problems with the transmission, electrical system, and engine, and these issues lead to high repair costs and make the Cherokee a less dependable choice. Next up is the Land Rover Discovery. While it boasts luxury and off-road prowess, the Discovery is notorious for its poor reliability. Common issues include problems with the air suspension, electrical system failures, and engine troubles. These frequent and costly repairs can quickly diminish the appeal of this particular SUV. The Ford Explorer, a popular choice for families, but it has struggled with reliability in recent years. The 2024 model has seen reports of transmission issues, electrical problems, and engine failure. These reliability concerns can lead to significant maintenance costs and downtime. The Chevrolet Traverse offers plenty of space and comfort, but it falls short in the reliability department. That's why it's on this list. Owners have reported issues with the transmission, engine, and various electrical components. These frequent repairs can make owning one more of a hassle than a convenience. The Volkswagen Atlas is known for its spacious interior and smooth ride, but it has faced reliability challenges. Common complaints include problems with the transmission, electrical system, and the engine. These issues can lead to high maintenance costs and a less satisfying owner experience, so maybe avoid the Atlas. The Jeep Grand Cherokee combines luxury and off-road capability, but it's been plagued with reliability issues over the years. Owners have reported problems with the transmission, electrical system, and engine. These frequent repairs can also add up, making it also a less than desirable choice. The Nissan Pathfinder has struggled with reliability for several years, and the 2024 model is no exception. Common issues include problems with the CVT, engine, and electrical components. These reliability concerns can lead to significant repairs and frustration for the owners. The GMC Acadia offers a comfortable ride and spacious interior, but here comes the bad news. It falls short in terms of reliability. Owners have reported issues with transmission, engine, various electrical systems, so the Acadia, a less dependable choice. The Cadillac XT6 is known for its luxury features, but it has faced reliability problems. Common issues include problems with the transmission, engine, and electrical system. These frequent and costly repairs can diminish the appeal of this otherwise luxurious SUV. And rounding out our list is the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. While it offers sporty performance and Italian styling, the Stelvio has struggled with its reliability. Owners report issues with the transmission, electrical system, and engine. These reliability problems can lead to expensive repair costs. First on my list is the Cadillac Escalade. Despite its luxury and performance, it suffers from poor resale value, retaining around 50% of its original value after 5 years. High initial costs and steep depreciation typical of luxury vehicles contributes to this. The Lincoln Navigator, another luxury SUV, also has one of the worst resale values. After 5 years of ownership, it typically retains around 51% of its original value. While it offers a plush ride and high-end features, its high depreciation rate can be a financial burden to some. Next, we have the Infiniti QX80. This large luxury SUV depreciates quickly, retaining around 52% of its value after 5. Despite its powerful performance and luxurious interior, the Infiniti brand's overall lower market presence affects its resale value. The GMC Yukon, known for its spacious interior and strong towing capability and family hauling ability, also faces steep depreciation. On average, it retains around 54% of its value after 5 years. Competition from more updated models and the high cost of ownership are contributing to its depreciation. The Armada from Nissan, a full-size SUV, retains around 55% of its value after 5. Its high fuel consumption, poor fuel economy, and competition for more efficient rivals is impacting its resale value. The Chevrolet Tahoe, popular for its size and capability, but it depreciates faster than many of its competitors. After 5 years, it only retains around 56% of its original value. Frequent updates and high initial prices contribute to its depreciation. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, despite its off-road prowess, has a low resale value, retaining around 58% of its value after 5. Reliability concerns and high repair costs are factors that impact its depreciation. The Expedition from the Blue Oval, a large family SUV retaining around 59% of its value after 5. While it's known for its spacious interior, strong performance, the high cost of ownership, and competition from newer models is affecting its resale value. The Dodge Durango, the Durango, with its powerful engine options and spacious cabin, retains around 60% of its value after 5. Its lower resale value is influenced by frequent updates and competition from more fuel-efficient rivals. Finally, the Kia Sorento, a midsize SUV retaining around 62% of its original value after 5. Despite being well-equipped and offering good value for money, its resale value is affected by the rapid depreciation typical of non-luxury brands. First up on the list is the Nissan Titan. Despite its powerful V8 engine and spacious interior, the Titan suffers from poor resale value. After 5 years, this truck retains only about 56% of its original value. Reliability concerns and stiff competition in the full-size truck market contribute to a steep depreciation number. The Ram 1500, known for its smooth ride and luxurious interior, but also has one of the worst resale values in the segment. After 5 years, it typically retains around 57% of its original value. Frequent updates and a strong presence of incentives on new models are impacting its long-term value. Next, we have the GMC Sierra 1500. Despite its strong performance and upscale features, this tends to depreciate quickly. On average, it retains about 58% of its value after 5. High initial prices and competition from its sibling, the Silverado, do play a role in its depreciation. The Colorado from Chevrolet, while popular for its size and versatility, also has poor resale value. This midsize retains about 59% of its value after 5 years. Limited appeal compared to full-size trucks and frequent discounts on new models are contributing to its rapid depreciation. The Ford Ranger, recently reintroduced to the market, faces steep depreciation as well. After 5 years, it retains roughly 60% of its value. The strong competition in the midsize truck segment and the availability of better-equipped competitors impact its resale value. The Tundra, known for its reliability, durability, but it struggles with resale. After 5 years, it retains typically around 61%. Its age in design and lower fuel efficiency compared to rivals are contributing to its faster depreciation. The Ridgeline. It is a truck, friends. The Honda Ridgeline offers a unique unibody construction and car-like ride, but it also depreciates quickly. On average, it retains around 62% of its value after 5. Its niche market appeal and higher initial price is impacting its long-term value. Despite being a bestseller, the Silverado 1500 has a poor resale value. This full-size truck retains around 63% of its value after 5. Frequent updates and high competition in the full-size truck segment is contributing to its depreciation. 2 more to go. Nissan Frontier, while rugged and affordable, suffers from rapid depreciation. It retains around 64% of its value after 5 years. An outdated design, strong competition from newer models is the reason why. Finally, the F-150, it's on this list. America's best-selling truck, yes, also experiences significant depreciation. After 5 years, it retains roughly 65% of its value. Frequent updates, high production volumes, and intense competition are contributing to its lower resale value. BMW is known for its slogan, "Designed for the driven," but many drivers have experienced more frustration than joy. The N47 diesel and the N63 V8 turbocharged engines are notorious for issues like timing chain failures and excessive oil consumption. These problems can lead to costly repairs and maintenance. According to Car Edge, there's a 46% chance that a BMW will require a major repair within the first 10 years, making it 11% worse compared to other brands. This high repair frequency can be a real deal breaker for many potential buyers. Jeep may not be traditionally seen as a luxury brand, but its high prices certainly put it in the same league. Unfortunately, Jeep engines, especially models like the Wrangler and Grand Cherokee, have been plagued by problems. Consumer Reports rank these models low in reliability due to frequent oil and water leaks, clogged fuel injectors, and the infamous death wobble. These issues can severely affect the vehicle's performance and your driving experience, making it essential to consider these factors before buying. Mercedes-Benz once made cars that could last for decades, but recent models have seen their share of engine issues. That's why they're on this list. The M156 V8 engines in the AMG models and the M272 and M273 engines have faced significant reliability problems, including head bolt failures and balance shaft gear issues. Ouch! Despite the brand's luxurious reputation, these engine problems can lead to expensive repairs and a lot of downtime for your vehicle. The shift from a legacy of durability to these frequent issues is a significant concern if you want to buy a Mercedes-Benz. Land Rover, known for its luxurious SUVs, has been criticized for focusing more on luxury than durability. Owners have reported premature wear of timing chains and tensioners in the 5-liter V8 engines, often leading to costly engine rebuilds or replacements. RepairPal notes that the average annual repair cost for Land Rovers is almost $1,200, nearly double the industry average. This high cost of maintenance, combined with frequent repairs, can make owning a Land Rover a challenging experience. Audi, like other German manufacturers, is renowned for its engineering, but not immune to engine troubles. Volkswagen recently settled a class action lawsuit due to defective pistons and the 2.0T TFSI engines found in some Audi models, leading to excessive oil consumption and significant engine damage. While Audi vehicles are known for their performance and luxury, these engine issues can significantly detract from the overall owner experience, making it essential to consider these potential pitfalls. Vehicle longevity. Everybody wants a vehicle that lasts a long time so you don't have to go back to a dealership or deal with any kind of car buying process if you can help it. I've got a few here, quite a few, that have the likelihood, an above average chance of reaching 250,000 miles on the odometer. Interested? Let's go. Toyota Tundra, you knew it. This popular pickup truck is one of the most durable vehicles, coming in third overall in a recent IC car study with a 47.9% chance of making it to 250 plus. But it's also typically more affordable than the two that precede it, the F350 Super Duty and the Toyota Land Cruiser. Next, Honda Pilot. This is one of the most durable SUVs and vehicles overall, with a 42.7% chance of making it to 250. And Honda as a whole ranks third on the IC car study behind Chevrolet, but ahead of GMC. Toyota Avalon, a step up in luxury from the popular Camry. The Avalon ranks at the top of the list for sedans, with a 33.1% chance of lasting 250,000 plus miles. Acura MDX. Acura as a whole ranks 6th in their study, ahead of Ford, and the MDX comes far ahead on the average with a 29.2% chance of going 250 plus. Honda CR-V, you know it. The compact SUV tends to be pretty affordable as SUVs go. It's also relatively reliable with a 27.5% chance of hitting 250 on the odometer. Honda Accord. On the sedan front, Honda also offers a fairly reliable model with this Accord. This car ranks second in sedans behind the Avalon in this study, with a 27.1% chance of making it. Toyota Sienna. Minivans are much less likely to last 250, but the Sienna is an exception, with its odds at 23.3%. I'll take those odds. Subaru Outback. It ranks 8th as an overall brand in the study. Behind Ford, the Outback is a crossover SUV that stands out for durability. It has a 22.3% chance of going 250 plus. Here it is, the Camry. The popular sedan is also one of the longest lasting cars, coming in third for passenger cars and ranks just ahead of the Toyota's overall brand average with a 20.4% chance. And lastly, the Honda Odyssey doesn't rank as high as some overall brand averages, but it does beat the category average for minivans handily, including the discontinued models like the Town & Country and Dodge Grand Caravan. Remember those? The Odyssey has a 13.8% chance of making it to 250,000 plus miles versus the 5.9% for minivans overall. If and when you are in the market for a new or used vehicle anytime soon, check out quotes.everymandriver.com. It's the best place you can go for insider access to dealer pricing, the lowest deals in your zip code from qualified dealerships. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, simply change that zip code. Be willing to travel a few miles to save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new or used vehicle by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. Is a free search engine. There's also a link below this video.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free.
And there it is.